There's a certain point where quick cleanups stop feeling convenient and start feeling frustrating. Weak suction, bulky designs, and constant charging. But now and then, a compact tool comes along that quietly solves all of those problems without trying too hard. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the HOTO BlowVac Handheld Vacuum Cordless, a compact vacuum and air duster designed for cars, desks, boats, home interiors, and even outdoor use. If you're someone who values clean spaces but doesn't want to drag out a full-size vacuum for everyday messes, this might be exactly the kind of tool worth paying attention to. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting for you in the description below. Reason 1. Powerful cleaning without the bulk. The standout feature here is the 225W brushless motor producing up to 23,000 pascals of suction power. In real-world use, that translates into fewer passes over crumbs, dust, sand, and small debris. Whether it's cleaning car floor mats, keyboard dust, seat gaps, or countertop messes, the suction feels surprisingly capable for something this compact. The cyclonic airflow system also helps maintain consistent suction instead of fading halfway through a cleanup session. Reason 2. 3 modes that actually make sense. A lot of handheld vacuums advertise multiple power modes, but here, the differences are practical. Eco mode gives up to 45 minutes for light dusting and quick maintenance. Standard mode balances runtime and performance for daily use, while boost mode is there when you need maximum suction for stubborn dirt. Instead of draining battery unnecessarily, you can choose exactly how much power you need. Reason 3. Vacuum and air duster in one tool. This is where the HOTO BlowVac becomes more versatile than many competitors. Alongside vacuuming, it doubles as an electric compressed air blower. That means you can clear dust from air vents, dashboard corners, camera gear, desk setups, and tight electronic spaces that traditional vacuums struggle to reach. It can even help inflate lightweight camping gear or air mattresses during travel. For people who appreciate multi-purpose gadgets, this adds genuine long-term value. Reason 4. Smart accessories for real cleaning situations. The included attachments feel thoughtfully designed instead of added for marketing. The crevice nozzle handles seat rails and sofa seams well, while the extension hose helps reach under furniture or deep between car seats. The wider nozzle works nicely for desktops, counters, and upholstery. Small details like this improve the ownership experience because you spend less time improvising and more time actually cleaning. Reason 5. Lightweight, fast charging, and easy to maintain. At just over 2 pounds, it feels balanced and comfortable during one-handed use. Emptying the dust cup is quick and relatively mess-free thanks to the one-touch release system. USB-C fast charging is another strong advantage, especially for people already carrying USB-C chargers for phones and laptops. With a compatible 60W adapter, a full charge takes around 90 minutes. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the overall experience feels modern, practical, and easy to live with day to day. Now, no product is perfect. This vacuum is designed primarily for dry debris and lighter cleaning tasks, not deep carpet extraction or heavy embedded pet hair. Runtime on maximum power is also limited to around 10 minutes, which is expected given the suction level. But for quick daily maintenance, car interiors, office setups, and compact living spaces, it feels very well judged. Overall, the HOTO BlowVac Handheld Vacuum Cordless stands out because it focuses on usability rather than gimmicks. It's compact without feeling underpowered, versatile without becoming complicated, and premium without being excessive. If your goal is to keep your car, workspace, or home consistently clean with less effort, this is one of those products that can quietly become part of your daily routine. If you found this review helpful, you can explore more details through the link in the description. And as always, thank you for watching Buy with Confidence.